Okay, I think I'm live now. So, hi, good morning, everybody. This is Elisa once again, and welcome to my first time live Facebook streaming of food and financial literacy. Okay, which is two of my favorite things to talk about, right? So, recently we went to an Asian restaurant here in Austin, Texas, and I ordered just one entree with my friends at school. And what happened is that how much did I pay for just one entree? I paid like around $20. And I was like, oh, that's too much. That's very expensive for just one person, $20, right? But anyways, that's like maybe once a month you can do that, okay, but not every day, okay? But for today, I want to show you, if you don't want to spend that much, right, and save money, okay, save money for the future, okay, you can like buy some ingredients and then do it yourself. All right. So here's what I figured out. Okay, because I was craving for something like this. I don't know what it's called, but here's what I found out. Okay, I went to Asian market and saw this one because I was craving for this type of food. Okay, so as you can see, this is like a siopao, the white bun, right? It's like pao bao, okay, but it's open, okay, so you can put whatever you want, okay. So me, I like I was craving for tocino. Filipinos like me, this one, tocino. So I bought some tocino for just about $5, right? And then carrots. I want to put carrots on my bun, and then I want to put some cabbage from my bun. And this is how the bun looks like, okay. So that's what I did. And for this one is just about $5. And then this one is just cheap, right? Carrots is just cheap. And then of course I love my Thai peanut satay sauce that I want to put in my bun. Okay. But this is how it works. Okay. So as you can see, you heat up your bun already. I want to put some sauce in it. Okay. Let me open my sauce. Put some sauce in it on my bun. All right. A little bit of sauce because I want that taste. Okay. And then, of course, I'm going to put my meat on it, my tocino meat. You can put whatever meat you want or protein you want, okay? So the goal is put anything you want, okay? I want some carrots on my bun. And then, of course, I'm going to put some cabbage, okay? You can also put your cabbage like, uh, don't shred it, because if you shred it, this one is so messy when I eat it, okay? So then it's gonna look like this. See that? See how that beautiful? It's really beautiful, right? So for this one, I can make like 10 of this, and then you know how much they sell this one in the restaurant, like just one like this. I went to one of another like a Brazilian store one time. Okay, they also sell this one. One of this just they sell it for $5 something, right? So I made about 10, more than 10 like this and this one, just with putting some ingredients that I like. Okay. So for this one, maybe this one is just gonna cost, if I made it myself, one bun is like $2. Okay. So that's a lot of money saved. Okay. So try it. Okay. It's really good, really, really good. All right. Okay. But as you can see, why am I doing this one? It's because in this book, Saving Your Future book, okay, I don't know if you have this book, but make sure you have your hand on this book. But this book, okay, it says small changes, big money. What if you can save $10 a day by making your own food, right? Instead of buying it in the restaurant, okay? So $10 a day, right? And that $10 a day, okay, it says here, if you just save $10 a day, and then for 30 days, you put it in an 8%, right? Tax deferred account or any account that's going to grow 8%, not 10%, but 8%. Okay. In 30 years, that's almost $500,000. Okay. It's easy to save $10 a day, but do you have the discipline? So if you want to really save your future, right? Just save $10 a day. Okay. And then, of course, what if you can save $20 a day, right? That's almost $1 million in 30 years. Okay. So, those little things, they add up. Okay. But if you just have to start, you just have to start saving and then know the basics of finances. Okay. But if you want to know more about, where to save it, okay, know more about what's a good plan or what's a good product or what's a good strategy, then we can talk, okay? And you can attend one of my workshops. All right. So I hope you learned something for today. Okay. Next time, let me think about something that I want to share with you. Okay. So I'm gonna expect you to again attend my segment next Sunday, 9:30. Okay. Food plus financial literacy. We all have a great Sunday. Bye. God bless.
Ayos. Ayos ang tubo-tubo. You all have great Sunday.